Hello, I want to give you an introduction and a closer look at these beautiful kitchen utensils and the mount that they come with. So first, let me show you. You do get these 5 essential cooking utensils, and then you also get a mount that you can hang them on. To apply this mount, it comes with a 3M adhesive attached to the back. You're simply just going to pull off the sticker and mount it to anywhere that you would like. The top of this mount is magnetic, so that way you can attach all of these utensils right there, and you can have all of these tools right at your fingertips. Now, you could apply it next to your stove like I have done. You could also apply it inside your cabinet. That way you don't have to have your utensils taking up space on your countertops, or maybe you don't have space in your drawers. So the amazing thing about this is that these are magnetic. They're always just gonna be right here at your fingertips. Just click them on and then you are set to go. And when you're ready to use them, you can just pull them right off and they're ready to use. Now, as far as these utensils go, they're super durable. They're food grade silicone material, so they're not gonna be scratching up your plates, but they're also heat resistant. They're heat resistant up to 446 degrees, so they're ultra durable as well. I also just love the design of these. You can tell the handle here is this metal handle. It almost is a gold color to it. And then with the cream of the silicone portion, these are just absolutely beautiful. I love having them hanging here. It's almost like a little piece of kitchen artwork. And then they're also very functional, and it's just great to have them right next to my stove. I'm super impressed with these, just the overall look of them and the quality, and then the ease of having them next to my stove is an absolute win for me. If you are looking for some great kitchen utensils that are gonna upgrade your organization in your kitchen, this is a great option for you.